Hi, I'm Jason Sigmund, President and CEO of Hightek USA. We're here at the PAC Expo in Vegas 2023. We're showcasing one of our hottest products of the year, which is our Hightek linear pre-made pouch machine. It runs all kind of specialized pouches, custom pouches, child safety zipper pouches. We have these machines in stock. It comes equipped with a lot of features that you won't find in the industry. This one's equipped with our auto pouch feeding system. Here's where we can print on the bag. We'd install like a VideoJet or a Markham printer. It has a gusset air blast open device, so it'll blow the gusset open. It has a filling station, which will shake if you have product that needs to settle. It also has a zipper close device, which is kind of unique, so we'll close that child safety zipper prior to sending it to the customer. It also has a weight check station, which is something new to the industry. So our scale, which you'll see in the background, we pair that a lot with this machine, which weighs and dispenses the product. But this machine also has its own weight check station, which is going to check the weight in the bag and make sure it's accurate before it sends it to be sealed and packaged. We also have bag deflators if you want to get some air out of the bag. And then the last station is the sealing station. Some additional features you'll find in this machine are just the high build quality that we put into it, which are things like labels on all wires, air cylinders, air hoses that match up with the schematics that come with the machine. Specialized welds where all the wires enter the chassis of the machine, which is excellent for sanitation and cleaning of the machine. Continuing on with the build quality, you'll see that the electrical panel doors are all lipped for water and sanitation cleaning as well. Again, all wires are labeled, everything's very clean, very open, easy to identify issues or repair problems. For more information on our Hightek linear pouch machine or any other equipment you may have seen in our booth, please visit us at hightekusa.com. We thank you for stopping by and we look forward to speaking to you soon.